everyone, it's Jake here from Empire FX, and today we're going to go through Bitcoin US dollar TA and see what price action is doing. Currently we're on the monthly chart. As you can see here, we have broken all-time highs back in 2017, 2018 and reached a high of $64,000, $65,000. So what's price action going to do now? What can we identify on the high time frame? We've got clear imbalance down below. So we need to be aware of this, that price action could come up, fill this imbalance up here. We are creating a monthly gap slip. If you don't know what an imbalance or gap slip is, please go watch my foundation series. I will teach you what I am saying. So currently we have this monthly imbalance that's about to get filled very soon. That price is around the $47,000 mark. So price action will definitely come into this region. You need to be aware or see what price action is about to do. So we'll break it down to the lower time frames. We'll go down to the weekly chart. So on the weekly, if you followed me on TradingView, you would have seen me posting charts of this weekly gap slip for weeks. We had a weekly gap slip just here. And I said price action will gravitate towards this price soon. And exactly what we did. 2 weeks ago, this week here, I'll zoom right in. This week came up and filled this imbalance, this weekly gap slip. This is the point of least resistance in the market. So it came up, filled it. Currently on the monthly chart, we're creating a gap slip across 3 candles. So yes, Bitcoin could still make higher highs, definitely. However, we need to be aware that price action could come down with confluence to fill that gap slip and continue on, which I hope it does. However, we need to think with our head, not our hearts. So what can price action do now? Let's have a look. We do have a weekly imbalance right here that price action will definitely gravitate towards too. I have been saying for weeks that price action will get to the $48,000 to $52,000 region. We will drop down to the daily chart and have a further look. Let's go down to the 1-day chart. So I just want to break it down a little bit further. So what can we see here? I'll start back from the start. We were making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then on the weekly and daily we had a change of trend here and we created a new lower low. Went up and after that, we created a lower high, a new lower low, a lower high, then a new lower low. Then we were range bound for about 6 weeks until 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, we actually changed trend right here, came back down, and now where are we going? We're going to create a new high on the weekly, and this is obviously daily as well. So what can we see right now? Let's look at 2 different options, what price action is going to do. We have a high chance price action will gravitate towards this area. It's not far off. So we have this current sell range, which is a weekly and daily sell range as a combo. It's just broken out of that, which is great. And price action will likely come up and create a new higher high, which will work out perfect with this imbalance. And then what do we expect after a higher high? It's going to create a higher low. So we can see 2 things. We create a higher high, fill this imbalance, come back down, and we can come and mitigate the previous sell range before making a new higher high. It's 50-50. We've got to see what happens with price action around this area on the higher time frames especially. Now the opposite. What's the other thing that can happen? We could reject here. I'll just delete this. We could fill this imbalance. This could be a bull trap and then continue on to fill the imbalance on the high time frame down at $20,000 and maybe more. However, if that happens, that's okay because we can take opportunity in the market and buy up more Bitcoin, more Ethereum. So what else can we see? So we do have a lot of resistance around here. We need to take note of it. We do have this breaker block and order block here with the resistance. So this is a combo. This can be a high probability area that we're going to have a reaction in the market. I'm not saying it's not going to break through, but we'll probably have a reaction. Might push through, feel the imbalance, and have a reaction around here. So you need to be aware of that. And we've got all this resistance to break through. So Bitcoin does have a lot of work to do. Yes, I'm bullish on Bitcoin in the future, but we need to be aware of what's currently happening right now. So let's just stay tuned. We'll stay up to date. I'll be posting weekly on Bitcoin US dollar. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you click that like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you around next time. Thank you.